Yeesh. All right. What is up, boys? There you go. QQQ. 5 minutes. All right. Oh, what is up? All right, let's send out this YouTube link for those free chat jits. All right. Finally got a third monitor so I can kind of track everything better. Damn cap locks be getting me. All right. Copy the link here. Right. Let's see what we got here. Need my leap play. Need some leap plays my damn self. Nah, no, you do not. No, you do not. Market's looking like it needs a dip. Leap plays are the last thing I'd be looking at. The last thing I would not say you need those. Serve up 6%. Where's Donald? Where the hell's Donald, bro? It was. Oh, TE back up. Who would have thought? TE is back up. Yeah, is our silver back up? Silver back up for you? All right. All right, boys. Later today, I'm going to do a poll asking you guys for your top stock for 2026. I need everyone to jump in on this. Please and thank you. I'm not in Palantir puts yet, but I do think they look fine. Once again, I was waiting for us to fill this gap. If we don't, I don't need to get in. But could fill this fair value gap and then bounce, as most other things are green right now. Ish. All right. Oh, let's see what's popping over here on YouTube. What's up, Spartan? What's up, Connor? Connor on perk 30. W name. All right. Dude, I don't understand why it still won't let me use my camera over here. Whatever. All right. But yeah, market is looking decent on this bounce this morning. QQ is pretty flat. Silver is coming back, though. It's up 5% today. On the daily, here, let me get all these. Not looking too bad. Got that long-term alert on Meta. Still liking that. All right. But yeah, I'm gonna have a poll out asking you guys for your top 26 or asking you guys for your top stock for 2026. Oh. But yeah, I'm gonna have a pullout for your top 26 stocks. Obviously, there will probably be some overlay, but I plan to get over every single stock in that, in the poll. So make sure y'all are ready for that when it comes out. Why you're on a different setup every day? This is the same setup as yesterday. I got a new setup for Christmas for the most part, so I'm liking gold puts. Let me check that out. Yeah, I don't disagree with that at all. I do not disagree with that at all. Back down to pre-market low, possibly yesterday's low. I do not disagree with that at all. Same for silver. I don't hate that at all. Let's see. Meta's up pretty good. Zeta's up pretty good. I like it. Are you using the 1K challenge today? Yeah, if we see a good trade. I plan on it, but yeah, I'll watch gold. Locked and loaded. Let's go. Okay, I can throw QQQ right here, and then all right, let's see if we can get anything here. Yeah, hopefully we can actually get some movement. Bro, D-Dot, you're so trusting with Robinhood's fills. Or the 30-minute. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. 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 They're going on mute. You guys can still hear me, right? Y'all can still hear me, right? But okay. Yeah, no. I don't know why it should be bugging. But yeah, I do like puts here for show. For show. I really, yeah. At least back down to here. Honestly, I don't hate these. This would be too early, but hey, if we come back up and test this, I would not be opposed to getting a quick scalp. If we come back up and reject, so I'd be down to take some 618 puts. One if you can hear Buzz. Where is my key? All right, boys, I am looking at the 619 puts. If we are to reject off this red line right here and close red on the 5-minute. Honestly, this candle closed below the red line. Okay, come get her. Come get her. Come here. She's right there. Go get her. Go get her. Up. Up. Go get her. Get her. Up. Come on. Got the dog waking up the missus. How many contracts? Still, I would still just be going with 5, but Realistically, we're going to need a really good close to this candle. But there's still plenty of time. Let's see what we got over here. Alrighty. Did y'all like the silver video last night? I know it was a little different after the run, but felt as though that was a good idea with some good targets for you guys. All right, man. I do like these, bro. I do like these. I really do. I really do. Yeah, I'd be looking for about 5 cons here. Rejecting out of this fair value gap. Yeah, we filled it, but I don't know. We'll see how this candle closes, but I do like the idea. Check on gold now. Yeah. How do I get opening price back? Where is opening price? Near open? How do I get? Oh, today's open here. There we go. Okay. QQQ, I like this. I like this QQQ. I like a D dot if you want to alert that. I'm 100%. I do like that a lot. All right, let me check how these gold puts look, because I like this idea a lot. Yeah, I like those gold puts. Feel free to take those. I like those. I think I'll keep watching QQQ here, but honestly, let me look at gold, because gold's been moving better than. I'd rather lose the trade to some real price action than, you know what I'm saying? Today's expo. What you mean? All right. Gotta get this candle close below. Yeah, as I said, I do think that QQQ puts do look good here. Never mind. Perfect. Thank God we waited. Holy shit. The swift turnaround. But yeah, I do kind of want to look at gold just because it has been moving better. I'm not against these puts at all. I also think these QQQ puts look really good, but it's just hard to say. If we're gonna go, oh, goddamn, I just keep clicking my fucking. All right. God, I want to enter these QQQ puts, but I don't want to be too, sporadic with it. All right, I'm gonna look at these QQQ Q puts. Hold on, Griff. All right. Switch down to 2 minute. If we get a retest at all, I'm in these. I'm looking at the 619. Gold is dumping. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Did we get news? Hello? What? That's insane. SoftBank pays OpenAI 21 billion. CNB says zero. Huh. Okay. Don't really know what just happened there with that candle, but if we can get a retest of orb on gold here, I'll look to enter as well. I'll look at a GLD here. Wow, what a candle. QQQ doing the casual chop per usual. I wonder what this candle was. Damn. I don't know how this thing works, bro. I gotta like. Oh, it worked. All right. Well, good shit. Good shit on that. That was a good trade right there. That was easy. Honestly, bro, I was thinking about even getting in a little late and running these all the way down to 300. What would that be for GLD? It'd be all the way down to 395, possibly. I don't think we go that low, but all right. Market is randomly rocketing. Looks like there was a deal with OpenAI for $21 billion. Looks like the AI bubble continues. This is the 1K challenge. Yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'll alert in the 1K if it's a 1K. Let you guys know. But if we see some good price action, which we can kind of see right now, I'd be very interested in taking some in the 1K. But all right, well, I'm not looking to take it off the 2 minute here. I'm realistically gonna wait for the 5 minute because that's, I guess, the 5 minutes then you're breaking out too. Yeah, bro, that was clearly the news, bro. I mean, that's an insane jump of almost $2, or well, just over $1. But my God. Hopefully we can create a fair value gap here, then we can go ahead and trade off that. Yeah, D-Dot, bro. And puts look good. Puts look good prior to the news. I mean, obviously we ended up getting that news, so. Oh my God, GLD puts might look gas right here. I'm honestly. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong one. If we don't break back into orb here, if we reject off orb, I might run it back with these puts again. Not even gonna lie to you. Let's see, puts load, please. All right. Damn GLD. All right, I'll be looking at these QQQ calls. QQQ calls, and I'm looking at the. I'll wait for it to load here. All right, thing won't load. My phone is not loading. Guess I'll have to do this the old-fashioned way. I'm looking on my computer. I would not be opposed to buying these off of this fair value gap bounce. Get ready for these 621 calls. I'm buying 5 contracts. Not yet, but I am going to look to buy 5 contracts. All right, I'm going to buy these 5 contracts of QQQ. I'm in at 104. 5 contracts of QQQ 621 calls in the 1 to 5K. Hopefully we can get a good market today. I pray. But 14 bones right now. We are in. We are in. We are in. I do like this play. If this OpenAI news is real, hopefully, gotta pray a little bit, but we'll see if we get chopped out here. If the price action is in our favor or not. It looks like it's not. Yes, I'm in the VC, man. Come on. All right, already down 11%. This is killer. Off of our nice retest right there. I do think we bounced out of this golden zone. I'd be very surprised if we didn't. I'm not too worried about these. Stop loss will be pretty much right here, basically. Think about the ocean, want the world die. In my opinion, we bounce. Another one I don't have an issue with. We taking the alert? I'm in. I'm in. Did we get the alert? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am down 0.96%. So while these things are quite volatile, I'm not too bad here. Market is interesting though today. Down about 1% here. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. All right, I'm back up. We are back green. Now up 7%. All right, all right. TP, as always, BXB, 20%. Selling half. We got 50%. We're selling more. Then we got runners. All right, I'm up 12% here. 12%. I'll show you guys here. 14%, 15%. I'm gonna grab this for that live trade. Y'all know. 15% here. 15%. I do believe that we will go higher. Still up 10% here. 11%, 12%. right, these things should jump here any second. What am I up now? Up 27%, boys. We are up 27%. Make sure you're taking your trims. This is the trade that we wanted right here. Take your trims. Take your trims. We're up 34%. I'm selling 3. I'm selling 3. I'm selling 3. I'm selling 3. All right, I sold 3. I'm up $200 right now for 38%, 39%, 40%, 42%. Oh my God, boys. These are my runner contracts right here. 41% right here. And climbing. I'm going to go ahead and sell one more due to yesterday's interesting trade. And I'm going to sit in one runner, and we're going to moderate this one easily. Good trade here, boys. Good trade here, boys. Good trade here, boys. Look at what happens when we get some good price action. All right, this one was a clear one. I'm still in here, but look, we have this fair value gap right here. Very, very bullish. We come back into this fair value gap. We get our entries and damn near bottom tick this move. Still up 35% here. All right, stop loss on these is going to be 25%. So if we drop below 25%, sell these contracts. Good shit here, boys. Good stuff. There we go. We are back green. We are now up to $1,159 in this account. There we go. I'm up 38% here. Here we go, boys. 41%. Here's a check-in on my cons. Now still up around 35% here. Here's a check-in. We got 37% with one con left. So bang, 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 bang. There we go. That's all we need. That's all we need. That's all we need. See? You guys see what I'm talking about with this risk to reward stuff now? All right, remember, we're selling at 25%. Whenever you see it, sell. Getting out at 25% on this last runner, and 25% was just hit. No, it wasn't. Sorry. We edged it. All right, I'm watching this sell here, boys, on this last runner. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get out here. All right, I am out. I'm full out, full out, full out, full out. I'm full out. I'm full out. Bang! 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 Alrighty, boys. Let's check in on the challenge. Alrighty. Good trade. Good trade. There you go. Connor, is there any way to do it to not get flagged? It's a day trade on Robinhood. You got to switch to a cash account, I believe. All right, boys. Well, looky here. Looky here. Looky here. We didn't have a great day yesterday. Okay, we were down, what, $35 yesterday? Stick to the plan, and you are rewarded. I had someone DM me yesterday and said, bro, are you going to – he said, bro, is this 1 to 5K challenge going to go to dust? And I said, really? Tight, Bolly. Tight. WWW. Hey, let's see these profits in the premium tab too, in the profits tab, because I'm gonna make a TikTok later today. Let me use those. Give me something to use. All right, good trade. Connor, there you go, buddy. Not too bad. Yesterday's price action was horrid, so and honestly, dude, I might switch over to futures here and take a quick little scalp if we do come back down to orb here. Not gonna lie to you. W trade, boys. W trade. Let's go. Hey, and also, this is not to upsell. This is to help you guys out. Go do the math on what 26% off our yearly sale is On the year, if you guys want to get a year worth of premium and pay less monthly, 26% off the year is a very, very good average monthly price. I'm just telling you all that because if you don't want to pay $40 a month, go with the yearly and you'll be paying much less. But yeah, start the new year off. Lock it in, baby. Is this the last trade of the day? I probably will not take another trade on the 1 to 5K. But I wouldn't be opposed to, oh my God, this meta orb went crazy. Meta orb went crazy. But hell yeah, boys. Hell yeah. Easy ass trade right there. We got out on, we get out on this, I think we got out on that candle. But we took trims pretty much right here. I believe so. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's toss that in the all right, I'm posting something and hold on. All right, I'll keep looking at stuff because that was I think that's like the first time in a couple of weeks we've actually been able to just get a good trade off rip. I mean, am I wrong? Bang. All right, dub, boys. Any future puts we are liking after start to? I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, nothing yet. I can't really forecast out anything right now for that. Still kind of literally all over the place with trying to get these alerts and figure shit out. Bang. All right. Let's see. Yeah, Connor. Yeah, you're right, but you also got to realize that the yearly price already has a discount on the monthly. I'll help you guys do the math. Where is? All right. Yeah, good trade though. Good trade. Happy with that one. W. All right. Can you trade futures on Robinhood? I'm trying to start. Yes, you can, but honestly, I would not recommend it because you need a lot of margin. Would changing my accounts to a cash account have like any major cons? The biggest con is that you'd have to wait for the next day to get your money back, basically, as in that the bank would have to transfer the money. But in my opinion, that's a pro in comparison to margin getting, not being able to trade for weeks if you do get banned. So in my opinion, it's still much more worth. Bro, why is this dude not boosting my damn server? Gold puts again. We seeing gold? I don't even hate the look right here, but no. Zeta's up 2%, Meta's up 2%, UNH is up 2%. What's UNH up so much for? Have some news? Huh. Wow, I'll take it. Hey. ASTS up 5% again, and it was up more. Damn. So where should I trade futures? I would recommend Top Step or, you know, a true brokerage of some sort, or sorry, a true prop firm of some sort. That's what I would recommend personally. But let's see if we can get something off of. I don't want to. I really don't want to take another trade today on the 1 to 5K. I don't know if you guys want to. All right, here. Wait, hold up. Let me put out the. Let's put out the top stock. Can I do create poll? Oh, damn it. What would be a way for me to get all these answers? Okay, how about this? Everyone needs to. Okay, we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way. All right. But yeah, do remember, guys, if you guys are looking for the longer term plans, those are also 26% off right now too. So if anybody wants to upgrade, don't forget about that. Top Step, Alpha, Tradeify, yeah. Are funded accounts futures? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. I honestly do think that gold sells off again. But really cute. Any other plays today? We'll see. I'm not exactly keen on taking anything else, so. All right, make sure you guys go at me in premium chat. Buzz, you need a discount code Buzz. Bro, Top Step does not give out shit. Top Step doesn't give out anything, bro. Like TJR doesn't have anything. PB Trading, they don't have anything on Top Step. Like, bro, you cannot get anything on Top Step. They are very frugal with their stuff. Gold is fondling your nuts. What? How so? Oh my god. The Dumperinsky on Q's. Q put not looking bad. A hype about the news, probably dead. Not a bad idea there. But yeah, make sure you guys add me in chat with did I even post that? I did. Yeah, add me in chat with your top stock pick for 2026 if you want to be featured in that video. Buzz, what's your number one for the next year? I plan on releasing that as a full video. I don't know if I can tell you right now. I don't know, but I will tell you that we have been talking about it a lot. You guys will know it's my favorite stock. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Where do you usually check for company financials? Good question. I usually just click on, let's say, Tesla. Actually, let's go to a good company. Sorry, Zeta. All right. And then you just click on this right here. Oh, wait, I guess you can't see it. All right, so look, you have your little expansion bar right here. This is for buddy over on YouTube. Zeta Global Holdings. Click that. It will send you to this separate page where, hold on, it'll send you to this page, and then you just go to forecast. And obviously you need to do a lot more looking than this, but this is where I do like my entry level stuff. Other than that, I pay for like Motley Fool and stuff like that. I know what it is. You may be looking at it right now. So tired of being down. Oscar, sell cover calls. Sell cover calls. Yeah, NVIDIA doesn't look bad at all. Never done cover calls. Need to figure that out. It's pretty easy. Shoot me a DM and I'll help you get it figured out. Let me go find the education tab. Also, remember, if you guys have anything that you guys want in the education, just hit me up so I can put it out there. Honestly, I have a hard time remembering, what really needs to be taught over again. Okay, how debit spreads work. Where is this dude in his covered calls? I'll ask Wheelie to post something about covered calls. I'm going to hit him up. Jack, I'm going to ask, been selling CSPs on Zeta recently? Nice. I've been selling the covered calls. I'm low-key terrified. Not going to lie. I accidentally went a month out instead of like 14 days, which is what I wanted to. So if Zeta gets over $22, shit. If Zeta gets over $22 by the 30th of January, then I got to buy them back. So, fuck, I should have been buying there. Damn it. Okay. Nice, 75% good shit, bro. Damn. Yeah, I saw a sell-off coming. I didn't think it'd be that swift, but also didn't want to just jump right back into something after. Alrighty. I might take some future trades today, but probably not much else. Jack bets. Oh wait, Lord. Who's this? We got AMD's put. Not a big fan of that, but we did get that. All right. But yeah, W trade this morning. W fucking trade. W trade. Hey, 21%. You'll still take that. I do like this NVIDIA retest. If this candle does close out, I do not dislike this. I just realized I only have 22 shares of Oscar. Don't you need at least 100? Yeah. With 22 shares, you shouldn't be down too bad. But yeah, I know it sucks. It sucks for me that I held it for a year and nothing happened, even though it's still a great company. I mean, dude, it's still a great company. although I sold it for, tax reasons, I still own some in the Fidelity account. I think I own like 600 shares in the Fidelity. But yeah, no, it sucks, bro. It sucks when you know you're right, but the market just doesn't want to give it to you. Are puts still valid? No. They could be, but I want to see us come all the way back up, test this fair value gap on a 5-minute. That's now bearish. And if we do all that, then maybe. I'm waiting on a red day from Zeta to some more CSPs. Nice. All right. But yeah, I probably won't be taking another trade today, so might jump off and hop in a chat with y'all. Oh, beautiful. Tears are good. I'm gonna go ahead and end it over here on YouTube. So you a day trader as well? Yeah, we just took 40% on this QQQ up here. So yeah, took the day trade. We also do long term, short term, just pretty much everything. Okay. All right. QQQ, yeah, that's what we traded. We took this right here for about 42%, 44%, something like that. But I'm gonna end the stream over here on YouTube and kick it here with the premium guys. So later, boys.